Ma'am Barsaga. Welcome to Paspas Hotel. I'm Trisha Reyes, your butler during your stay.
Good morning, Trisha. That's good to hear.
How's your day, ma'am?
It's good.
I will assist you, ma'am. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I do have. It's all the baggage.
Okay, ma'am. I get your luggage. Okay, ma'am. It's okay to check your luggage, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Ma'am, is anything fragile here?
No, there are none.
Okay, ma'am. Your luggage, ma'am, is no damage and no stain. Okay, ma'am. Let's proceed to the lobby, ma'am.
Sure.
This way, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Please sit down first. Ma'am, can I borrow your ID to confirm your reservation? Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, do you want any complimentary tea or coffee?
Coffee, please.
Okay, ma'am. That's it. Okay, ma'am. This is your coffee.
Thank you.
Ma'am, wait for a while to confirm your reservation again.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Miss Martinez. This is ID of Mrs. Barsaga to check her confirmation.
Good morning, Mrs. Barsaga. Okay, here's the ID and the key card.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Excuse me, ma'am. Your reservation is confirmed. This is your key card and this is your ID.
Thank you.
Are you ready, ma'am, to go to your room?
Yes, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Let's go.
As we make our way to your room, ma'am, I would like to briefly introduce to you our hotel amenities. Our hotel infinity pool is open daily from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Perfect for morning swim and evening relaxation. And our spa is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. offering a massage and wellness treatment. And on the first floor, you will find our award-winning restaurant, which operate from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And the breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you for all that information.
Also, ma'am, for your safety, I would like to point out that the fire extinguisher is located hidden decor and the fire exit is at the end of the corridor on your left.
We've arrived in your room, ma'am. May I please borrow your key card?
Here.
Room check. Room check. Room check. This way, ma'am. Have a seat. As you can see, ma'am, your room is facing the rose garden. There is a private balcony, so in the morning you can have fresh air.
Okay, thank you.
For additional information, your room is voice automated, so you and your family can have a very convenient stay. You can also call our room service. Just dial 1 for the food, dial 2 for the maintenance department, and dial 3 for front desk. Here is my card, so you can call me directly if you need anything else.
Thank you.
Would you like me to unpack your luggage, ma'am?
Yes, please. Okay, ma'am.
You have a one polo shirt and one pants and one polo and a one bath towel.
Okay.
Try to hang it or just upload it.
Fold it. Just fold it.
Okay. Finish for fold it, ma'am. Would you like to put it in your cabinet?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. I'm finished, ma'am. Can I leave now?
Yes, you may leave now.
Alright, thank you, ma'am.
Butler service. Butler service. Butler service. Good morning, ma'am. May I come in? Ma'am, you are scheduled to check out at 12 noon. Do you want to extend your stay?
No,
Ma'am, are you done packing your things?
not yet.
Would you like me to pack it for you?
Oh, sure.
I'm done packing your luggage now. Are you ready to go now?
Okay, let's go.
Ma'am, may I ask how was your stay with us?
Yeah, that's great. All amenities is so nice.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. We truly hope to welcome you back again. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.